Today we're talking about sycamore trees, Britain's most successful illegal immigrant. They arrived uninvited around the 1500s and have been thriving ever since, despite the fact that half the country wishes they'd stayed in continental Europe. Brexit means Brexit, except for trees, apparently. The sycamore's Latin name is Acer pseudoplatanus, which means false plane. Imagine being professionally named Fake Steve by scientists. That's botanically brutal. It's in the maple family, Sapindaceae, which sounds like a medical condition but just means it's related to soapberries. Thrilling stuff. You'll spot sycamores by their 5-lobed leaves with red stalks and those iconic helicopter seeds that invade your garden every autumn like a botanical D-Day. The bark starts smooth and grey, then develops pink-orange flakes. It's not disease, it's character. The tree version of distinguished grey hair, except peachy and flaky. Sycamores grow fast, tolerate pollution, and spread aggressively, which makes them either resilient survivors or ecological menaces depending on who you ask. They support about 43 species. Sounds decent until you remember oaks support 2,300. That's not an ecosystem, that's an underperforming Airbnb. The sycamore gap tree, famous from Robin Hood, was illegally felled in 2023, and Britain mourned a non-native tree like it was the Queen. Peak British sentimentality. But here's where they shine. Sycamore wood is prized for violin backs, so a Stradivarius is basically very expensive lumber that someone got creative with. It's also used for cutting boards and kitchen spoons because it doesn't taint food. The tree is so neutral it can't even add flavor. Nothing more British than that. So next time you see a sycamore, remember, it's tough, adaptable, and here to stay whether you like it or not. A bit like Marmite, but wooden.